Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make this tasty chicken and rice. For this recipe you will need, before you begin the preparations, please preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Into a large bowl, evenly season chicken thighs with salt, pepper, paprika and parsley. Mix it all up and ensure that each piece of chicken is evenly marinated. On high, heat your oil in a pot. In this case, I'm using sunflower oil, but you can always use whichever oil you prefer. If it's olive oil, it doesn't matter. And then place your chicken thighs inside the hot oil. Cook your thighs until they develop a brown, crispy skin. Keep flipping over until you achieve that. Once they're done, remove them and set them aside from the pot. Now add the garlic and onions to the pot and cook until the onions are transparent. Pour in the rice, followed by the chicken broth to the pot. Season it with salt and pepper. Stir well, bringing to a boil. I had popped my chicken in the oven for a few minutes as I was preparing the rice, just to have the skin more crispy, but this is optional. Now I'm adding the thighs back in the pot, skin side up, then bringing it to a boil and covering it with a lid. Now the rice is almost cooked, so I'm going to pop it in the oven for a few minutes until it's fully done. There you have it, guys. The chicken is ready and served. I'm just going to add a little bit of fresh parsley on top. I love the wild mushroom cream sauce, so I'm just going to pop a little bit of that over this. Now let's dive in. The top is really crispy, which is good. The inside is also succulent and moist and juicy. I just can't wait for you guys to try this recipe and let me know how it came out. Otherwise, my family really loved it and I can't wait to do it again. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and also let me know what you thought about it on the comment section down below. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and also hit the notification bell so you never miss any new uploads. Till then, bye bye.